Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy American English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It is so wonderful to be here today. I am very, very happy to talk to you all.
I am happy too, Paul. You look very good today. You have a big smile.
Thank you, Emily. I have a big smile because I am thinking about the future. I am thinking about this year.
Oh, that is perfect. That is our topic for today.
Yes. Where do you see yourself this year? It is a big question, right?
It is a big question, but it is a very good question. It helps us dream and make plans.
I love making plans. It makes me feel excited.
Me too. But wait, Paul, before we talk about our dreams and plans, we should talk to our friends listening.
Ah, yes, you are right. Hello, friends. If you like our podcast, please click the like button right now.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Easy American English channel.
And don't forget to share this podcast with your family and your friends who are learning English. We want to help everyone.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, let's start. When I say, where do you see yourself this year? What is the first thing you think about?
Let me think. The first thing is health. I want to be very healthy this year.
That is a great goal, Paul. Health is so important. What do you see yourself doing?
I see myself in the park. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. The sun is coming up, and I am walking.
Only walking or running?
Well, maybe walking fast first. Then, after 1 month, I see myself running. I want to run for 30 minutes every day.
Wow, 30 minutes is a long time. Do you have running shoes?
Not yet. I need to buy new shoes. Maybe blue shoes. I think blue shoes make me run faster.
Maybe. I see you running in the park with your blue shoes. That is a very good vision.
Thank you. And what about you, Emily? Where do you see yourself this year?
I see myself in my kitchen. There is a lot of flour and sugar on the table.
Are you making a mess, Emily?
No, well, maybe a little mess, but I am baking this year. I see myself as a great baker.
Ooh, I love cake. What kind of cake do you see yourself making?
I want to make a perfect chocolate cake, a big, tall chocolate cake with strawberries on top.
That sounds delicious. I can almost smell it.
Right? I want to invite my friends every Sunday to eat cake and talk. That is where I see myself, happy in my kitchen with my friends.
That is a beautiful vision, Emily. It is about food, but it is also about friends. I like that.
Yes. And what about travel, Paul? Do you see yourself in a new place this year?
Oh, yes, definitely. I see myself at the airport. I have a big suitcase.
Where are you going?
I see myself in Italy. I want to walk in the old streets and see the beautiful buildings.
Italy, that is wonderful. Do you see yourself eating pasta?
Yes, pasta, pizza, and gelato. I want to sit in a small cafe and look at the people.
Will you speak Italian?
Maybe just a little, but I will use my English too. English is very useful when you travel.
That is so true. Traveling is a great way to practice.
It is. And you, Emily, do you have a travel plan for this year?
I do, but my plan is different. I don't see myself in a city. I see myself at the beach.
The beach. I love the ocean.
Me too. I see myself sitting under a big umbrella. I have a good book in my hand.
Is it a book in English?
Yes, I see myself reading a long story in English and understanding every word.
That is a fantastic goal. Reading a book is a great victory for an English learner.
I agree. It feels so good when you finish the last page.
So you see yourself at the beach, reading and relaxing. No work.
Well, maybe a little work, but this year I want to see myself being very organized with my time.
Oh, tell me more about that. How do you see yourself being organized?
I see myself with a beautiful notebook. Every morning I write my to-do list.
Like 1, bake cake, 2, go to the beach.
Yes, but also my work tasks. I want to finish my work early so I can have more time for my hobbies.
That is very smart. Being organized gives you more freedom.
Exactly. And Paul, what about your home? Do you see any changes at your house this year?
Yes. I see myself in my garden.
You have a garden?
I have a small space behind my house. Right now it is just grass, but I see myself planting flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, and maybe some tomatoes.
Tomatoes. You could make your own salad.
Yes, I see myself picking a big red tomato and eating it. It will be so fresh.
That is a very peaceful vision, Paul. Nature is so good for the soul.
I agree. It makes me feel calm.
So we have health, baking, travel, reading, organization, and a garden. We have many plans.
We do. But Emily, we should give some tips to our listeners. How can they see themselves this year?
That is a good idea. My first tip is use your imagination. Close your eyes and think, what makes me happy?
That is a great tip. And tip number 2, be specific. Don't just say, I want to learn English. Say, I see myself talking to a person in English at a coffee shop.
Yes, or I see myself watching a movie in English without subtitles.
Exactly. When the vision is clear, it is easier to achieve.
My third tip is start small. You don't need to do everything today.
Right? If you want to run, just walk for 10 minutes today. That is a start.
And my last tip, write it down. When you write your vision in a notebook, it becomes real.
I love that. I have a notebook for my running goals. It helps me stay focused.
Good job, Paul. Now let's talk about the big one, English. Where do we see our listeners with their English this year?
Oh, I have a very clear vision for them. I see them listening to Mr. English podcast and smiling.
Yes, and I see them feeling more confident every day.
I see them using new words when they talk to their friends.
And I see them not being afraid of mistakes. Remember, friends, mistakes are just part of the journey.
That is so important. I see our listeners being brave, being a conversation superhero.
Yes. And Paul, I see our channel growing this year. I see many new friends joining us.
Me too. I see a big community of happy English learners. That makes me very happy.
It is a beautiful vision.
Wow, Emily, we talked about so many things today.
We did. It was a very long and fun chat.
It was. My head is full of ideas now. I want to go and buy my blue running shoes.
And I want to go and buy some strawberries for my cake.
But before we go, should we remember what we talked about?
Oh, yes. Let's do a quick recap. It was such a good conversation.
Well, we started with my goal for health. I want to be running in the park every morning.
That's right. And I shared my dream of baking. I want to make that big chocolate cake and share it with everyone.
And we talked about travel. I'm going to Italy for pasta and gelato.
And you're going to the beach with your English book.
Yes, and we shouldn't forget about being organized with a notebook and your plan for a beautiful tomato garden.
Yes, the tomatoes. And we gave our friends some tips. Use your imagination, be specific, start small, and write everything down.
And most importantly, we talked about English. We want everyone to feel confident and brave this year.
Exactly. It's all about seeing the person you want to become and taking small steps every day.
I love that, Emily. It was so nice to remember everything together.
It really was. I feel ready for this year now.
Me too. Okay, friends, now we have a question for you.
Yes. Where do you see yourself this year? Tell us in the comments.
Do you see yourself traveling, learning a new hobby, speaking English fluently?
We love reading your comments. Please write to us in English. It is great practice.
Yes, it is. And one more time, please subscribe and share this episode. It helps us make more podcasts for you.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. You are all amazing.
Yes, thank you. We believe in you and your goals for this year. Well, I think that is all for today.
I think so too. See you in the next episode, Paul.
See you next time, Emily. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye for now. Have a wonderful year.